Hello, this is Tony Liu. I am a business litigation attorney here at Focus Law. Today's video topic: what should I consider when negotiating a commercial lease? Now, signing a commercial lease is one of the most important financial commitments your business will make. The term that you agreed on today can impact your company for many years to come. Whether you are leasing the office space, the retail property, or an industrial facility, negotiating the right lease is crucial for protecting your financial interests and to ensure a long-term stability. So, what should you consider when negotiating a commercial lease? Break it down. 1. Choose the right lease term. One of the first decisions that you need to make is the lease term. The longer the lease provides stability and often comes with more favorable lease rates. The short-term lease, on the other hand, offer flexibility, which is ideal if you anticipate business growth or operational changes. Renewal options should be negotiated in advance to protect your ability to stay in the space without sudden rent increases and also the penalties. Right, the key takeaway is find the right balance between the stability and also the flexibility based on your business goals. 2. Understand the rent structure and increase, etc. Not all the rent agreement or lease agreement are created equal. Beyond the base rent, you need to clarify how the rent increase will be calculated. Will the rent increase annually? Will it be tied into inflation or certain index or market rates? Additional costs and operating expenses, are property taxes going to be included? How about insurance, the maintenance, and also the utility included in your rent? Or you will be responsible for them. Also, you need to consider the common area maintenance, the CAM for short. The charges, what are the CAM charges? If the lease share the commercial space, understand what CAM fees covers and whether or not they can be capped. Also, to avoid surprises, hidden rent escalation and unexpected fees can make a lease far more expensive over time than it appears upfront. 3. Define the responsibility for maintenance and repair. Commercial leases often divide the responsibility between the landlord and the tenant. And what is landlord's responsibility for? Of course, the structural repairs, the building compliance, also the major maintenance should be their obligation. What will be your response? Now, what will you be responsible for? Air condition maintenance, for example, minor repairs or daily upkeep may fall on you. You really need to check on the lease agreement and make sure you have a clear understanding who is handle what responsibility in terms of the maintenance. Also, the next issue is who handles the compliance issue. Ensuring the property meets the zoning, the ADA, the safety regulation should be clearly outlined. Okay. Negotiating these terms upfront prevent costly dispute later on, that's for sure. 4. Plan business growth and space modification. As your business grows, your space needs to adapt. Tenant improvement allowances can you negotiate from the landlord, for example, for modification. How about space modification? Are you allowed to reconfigure the office layout to install certain custom feature or expand within the building? How about expansion options? If you need more space in the future, does your lease allow growth within the property. Being proactive about your future business needs to ensure your lease supports your company growth. 5 is to negotiate an exit strategy. Even the best planning circumstances change, right? You need to have an exit strategy to avoid financial penalties if you need to the space early. Early termination clause, you can negotiate an option to exit early under a specific condition. How about subleasing options? Can you sublease the space to another tenant if needed? How about assignment rights? If you sell your business, can the new owner take over your business and take over your lease without penalty? Without these options, you could be stuck paying rent on a space that no longer need. So plan accordingly. The final thought, negotiating a commercial lease isn't just about securing a space. It's about protecting your business interest, financial stability, and long-term growth. Before signing a lease, consult an experienced business litigation attorney to ensure that the lease term in the lease align with your business goal and minimize the future risks. If you need help reviewing and negotiating the commercial lease, our firm is here to assist you. Contact us today for a consultation and let us help you review the lease and make sure the lease works.